needed you to be strong. I never needed you for pointing out my wrongs. I never needed pain, I never needed strain. My love for you was strong enough, you should have known. I never needed you for judgment. I never needed you to question what I spent. I never asked for help, I take care of myself. I don't know why you think you got a hold on me. And it's a little late for conversations. There isn't anything for you to say. In my eyes hurt, head shiver. So look at me and listen to me. Your corrections on everything from how I act to what I say. I never needed words, I never needed hers. I never needed you to be there every day. I'm sorry for the way I let go from everything I wanted when you came along. And my eyes hurt and shiver, so you will listen when I say, first I was afraid, I was petrified. Kept thinking I could never live without you by my side. I spent so many nights thinking how you did me wrong, but I grew strong.